In this course, you will learn how to engage your customers with content marketing and increase your outcomes. You will learn about the components of a successful content marketing plan, as well as how you track and measure it. Determine the best distribution channels and how to successfully disseminate material. Are you looking for the finest ways to build an online income stream but can't seem to find them? In today's internet-connected society, affiliate marketing is probably one of the fastest and most efficient ways to make money. Use the affiliate marketing methods and techniques taught in this course to jumpstart your online revenue. People are connected to items that answer the problems. Create a long-term, efficient, and results-oriented affiliate business. The second part of the course, we're going to talk about how artificial intelligence integrates with affiliate marketing and content marketing. We're going to examine step-by-step guides about 20 of the best platforms that you can use with artificial intelligence.